Guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit sick. I think I'm getting a cold. I need to ship this HKS exhaust to a different city. It is sold. I need to take it off today, so I will be giving you guys an update. It needs to go. I need to take it off today, take out the diffuser and wait for the new exhaust. Alright, let's go to my garage and start taking off this HKS. Alright fam, so for those that are wondering how I installed my diffuser, here it is. I had to cut my bumper in order to fit the 370 fog light, and these are the cables. They go under the trunk. I think I did another video on it, so I need to look for it and post the link to it. Okay, so I took out the diffuser. Right now I'm just going to start taking off the exhaust and work my way down there. Finally, I took out the HKS. I was using OEM gaskets, so I don't know. I think you need to use new ones now. So for the new owner, he has to get new gaskets. So there it is. We don't have no exhaust. We only have the R pipes. And yeah, that should do it. I'm just gonna leave the car parked here and wait for the new exhaust. So again fam, if you guys want to keep or stay updated, click that subscribe button for me. So let me clean up everything, put everything back together, lower the car and start packing the HKS to the new owner. Give it a little clean and it should be ready to go. For those that are asking, where do you install the brackets, I put one right there on the chassis, I guess. And this is the bracket, and I put self tappers just to hold it. And same on this side, tapper on the top or a screw, and then this one. So, and then two holes for the diffuser up front and the hole for the 370 fog light. Time to wait for the new exhaust. Next day, like I said on my previous clips, I am sick. I got a cold, so don't mind the voice. I just wanted to continue recording for the Motordyne exhaust. I'm just going to install it right now. I need to move the car from my garage, so I think they're gonna use the space. So that being said guys, let's do it. Alright fam, so we are starting with the white pipe, and we're gonna be using gaskets that Motordyne provided. We also have bolts that Motordyne provided. So let's go ahead, and I will try to explain everything step by step. But remember guys, I'm sick, so it'll be most likely more video than me talking. Need to take off this bracket to remove this heat shield because it's on the way. So alright guys, we have the mid pipe. Right now I'm just trying to see if I'm gonna leave the bracket or take it off. I'm not sure yet, but we're ready to put the rest of the exhaust right now. Alright guys, I'm working my way out, and I'm making sure that the clamps point up. That way, on speed bumps or anything, I don't scrape that bolt. I don't know if you guys understand. Instead of those going down, put them up. I'm not sure if the clamp by itself is gonna hit, but we are working our way out. We are almost done. Okay, now we are in the back section, so let's do it. I'm sorry guys, my voice is going out, so everything's done. Now we're gonna put just the tips and we should be good to go. You guys are gonna see the first startup, so alright guys, we are done. Right now I'm just gonna put the diffuser and clean everything, and I'll do the startup. Let me show you the 3 and 4 RPM. This thing's badass. Definitely worth the money. Let me show you guys the exterior, how it sounds. It's gonna be a little bit windy, so there it is, fam. So again, it's a little bit windy. I just wanted to show you guys a couple clips. Definitely worth it. If you guys want to get Motordyne, you should definitely get it. Definitely it's not low friendly. I've been hitting here and there, but it's not as bad. It's alright. I mean, just if you're careful with it, you'll be okay. So again, fam, there it is. I'm gonna end the video right here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
What?